Hey everyone, how you doing? Me, Tim. I'm going to be doing a Ghostbox session asking the spirits what kind of bird that is standing. Please enjoy. Hello? Any spirits present that would like to talk and communicate with me? Any spirits that would like to talk? Come up to this box here and talk to me. Don't be afraid of this box. It won't hurt you. Can anybody tell me what kind of bird is that standing there? What kind of bird is it? Do any of you know? Look at that bird and tell me what it is. Thank you for coming through and telling me. Would you like to say goodbye before I end this session? Again, thank you for coming through. Now I'm asking you, please stay here. You can't follow me, all right? Again, thank you. Well, everyone, I want to say thanks for watching, and y'all have a good one.